feces. Gosh darn it, bloody hell. These disgusting creatures. What bird has the most elaborate, the most complex, the most beautiful song in the world? Well, I guess there's a lot of contenders. But this bird must be one of them. The superb Lyrebird of southern Australia. He clears a space in the forest to serve as his concert platform, to persuade females to come. Close and admire his plumage, he sings the most complex song he can manage. The lyrebird has the ability to copy nearly any sound he hears.
It's cold!
Absolutely marvelous. Let us listen again. That was a camera shutter from one of our photographers capturing the incredible lyrebird. Now a camera with a motor drive. Sorry, that was also one of our photographers. And now for the sound of lumberjacks working in the nearby forest.
Oh my gosh, my leg! I'm bleeding out! Oh my gosh, my leg! I'm bleeding out!
Incredible. It seems to be imitating my cameraman's screams to absolute perfection. I'm David Attenborough, reporting for BBC Natural History, and I have a toe fetish. Oh, bloody birds.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind taking a minute to like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it because these videos take a lot of work to write and to animate, and that's some way that you can give some feedback and support me. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.